Let's consider Infoscale as a solution, not as a product. And this solution is closing the gap between the IT and the operation managers together to keep the requirements from the operation managers and understand the IT not as an infrastructure, but as a service. So therefore, we are trying to help these people to communicate with the same language by our products when the operation manager will talk to the IT guys by closer and they will be able to fulfill their requirements on the fly. That means we would be able to dynamically change many things which are not able to do dynamically change in the real environment, in the original environment. So we are trying to be more flexible at that way. Rwanda was very specific because of high amount of uncertainty in the requirements, and even more worse, it was changed many times during the implementation time. And thanks to the Infoscale, and we have a flexible solution, we were able to follow these changes even on the fly when it was acquired by the Rwanda guys. So we were able to deploy something which met the requirements, even the condition changed a lot. Generally, it was the high availability and storage, software-defined storage. That means we were responsible for the high availability products and for the replication to the disaster recovery location. It was a large company dealing with the medicines, and mostly all the requirements were very flexible, were very dynamic, and the service line was very tight to get. What was the benefit of the Infoscale is to put more dynamic and more predictable service line into this hectic environment to keep things up and running, but also in predictive way and the predictive figures, because it's always better to get the real numbers and real figures about the outages, about the RTO, RPOs, than just fabulate something and not meet these requirements. And that's our credo. So understand our data, not focus on the environment.